Welcome here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. At the BENETEAU display, we have 4 big news this year. The worldwide premiere for the GT36, together with the MC52, first US introduction, the Trawler 41, and the Flyer 32. But you can also experience our entire range of outboards with the Flyer 8, the Antares 27, with the other companions of the Trawler 41, the Trawler 35, and the Trawler 37, together with the big brothers of the GT36, the GT46 and the GT50. We are here in a very sunny day, beautiful weather. Our dealers are here to wait for you. We have the best professional, the best dealer network. So don't miss this opportunity and come here. We are here until this Sunday. Thank you.